Cumberland County is the fastest growing county in the state, and while its population booms, mental health funding is not kept up. Instead of providing more funding, the county may cut services. Sonica Bargo joins us with that right now. Sonica.
Alicia, the county is facing a hefty deficit in mental health funding, but they haven't made any cuts to services yet. The county's mental health director tells me she hopes it won't come to that.
We have seen a 10% increase of people seeking mental health services.
And while demand keeps growing, funding is not.
Counties haven't seen an increase in more than a decade.
Cumberland County Mental Health Director Annie Strite says that's had major consequences.
We're struggling to meet the need.
Last year, the county saw a $700,000 deficit in mental health funding. This year, it's expected to be $2.5 million. Strite says state resources aren't looking good either.
We're very concerned that Governor Shapiro's $20 million is likely not enough.
The county government is trying to tackle that deficit.
The commissioners had asked what would be the ripple effect if they were to implement the $2.5 million in cuts to balance our budget.
But Strite asked commissioners to hold off on making any cuts just yet.
It will ultimately negatively impact the community as a whole.
She hopes state lawmakers will take another look at mental health funding.
We need sustainable funding long term.
And give counties a desperately needed boost.
If we can do a better job meeting the needs, the emotional needs of our community, that will automatically have a positive impact on every facet of a person's life.
The county is scheduling town halls to get the word out about the lack of funding. Strite hopes that encourages people to reach out to their lawmakers and ask for more. In the newsroom, Sonica Barco, ABC 27 News.